Hey everyone, this is a little video from last week. Went chasing, it was a transition event in Arizona. I had a cold front kind of pushing in from the west and some moisture and some shear. Went down towards Marana and could not believe my eyes with this Supercell kind of spinning right over the city of Marana. Always an incredible sight in Arizona. Got to chase it across desert and saguaro, and it's something that, you know, you just don't see a lot out here. So it was real special. Hope you enjoy this. Please like and subscribe, and sign up for my Patreon page for lots of fun goodies and forecasts and all that, sneak peeks. Hope you enjoy. Well, that's pretty sweet looking. Wish I was in a better spot to time lapse this thing. Wow, that's wild looking. Wow. Spot, sadly rain. Woo! Arizona, let's go. This thing is absolutely incredible. Severe warning for tornado possible. Too bad I can't shoot it, I'm just in rain, but this is awesome. Unbelievable looking wall cloud on that. Whew. This thing is still going, I can't believe it. Unbelievable looking. Too bad there's no lightning, but I mean, wow. Good, right down the middle of the road. I guess I'm gonna have to stop and take a picture. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Woo! Makes the day. That was great. Definitely done now, but wow, that looked gorgeous. Still looks pretty for Arizona. There's a weird dangly bit on the storm in front of me, so I gotta go check that out too. Over here, there's a funnel of some sorts or some dangly bit. Look at this up ahead. You can see where the rain starts. Too bad this thing's out of focus. Here it comes. Hoping for some hail, but I punched the core. Now we got the backside of the storm looking good, and then there's another storm over the Catalinas out there. The big white hail core on it. So we'll go see what that looks like. The storm on the left is the first storm that's kind of expanding to the right, and then we got this beast over the Catalinas here. Trying to get a view to shoot it. It looks great, but cars are slow and the roads suck out here, and mountains in the way, so I don't know. Now it's raining. Well, backside is kind of pushing outflow, which makes it look really, really pretty, but the other side is probably the best side. But punching through this will be murder, and then there's not any real good roads on the other side, so I think I'd get stuck. But man, this is just gorgeous. I wish I had a good spot to shoot this out here, but I don't know this area too well. But man, look at that.